On a glorious Tuesday morning, the sun is out. Hello everyone, my name is Orange, aka Small Funny Guy One. Hope you're all alright, hope you're all staying safe. Welcome to another vlog, and for the second time in 3 years, we are back here at Paultons Park. Yes indeed, it's great to be back at this park. It's an absolutely brilliant park. It's one of my favourites in the UK. Probably my top 3 actually, to be honest. Anyway, it's Catherine. And in front, we got Ron and Dan. How you doing, guys? You alright? Yeah. Ready for a fun day? Nice. Yes, so we're going to go and get on the new ride in a moment, talk a bit about that in a few. We are down here, part of a Butlins trip as well. The Bogner, first time coming down here. Indeed, yeah. Early access VIP. So Queen tribute last night, got stuff. It's rather nice, isn't it, actually, as well. Accommodation's good. So,
well, apart from the rain.
Yeah, there's rain this morning, yeah, but other than that, very, very nice, very, very happy. First ride up is the brand new Ghostly Manor. I'm very, very excited to see what this is like. The theming looks absolutely fantastic. You guys have already done this, haven't you? Yeah, and what were your thoughts?
It's different.
Different? Okay, that's a good start. To be honest, I think some of this theming is, this theming looks great. Look at this. I'm already getting like, do you know, I'm getting like Haunted Mansion vibes for stuff actually. It's brilliant. This is brilliant, it's really good. Well, your first thoughts, Cat, theming's cool. Yeah. There's Mr. Patrick. But yeah, obviously we're not going to be filming on ride. We will put some POV'S in from previous trip, for the previous trip. One might have some stuff to send us over as well, so great. But anyway, I'm looking forward to getting on this. But yeah, anyway, no, theming looks very, very good, so very, very excited. Into Ghostly Manor. You can do? Oh, whew. It smells like one of them Mr. Bean scratch and sniff books.
It sounds like the Curse Manor.
I think it's stronger than Curse. Oh, look at this. Smells like what? Oh, yeah.
It used to smell like dungeons.
So if I'm correct, this used to be a 4D cinema as well, actually. Look at that. Look, we're on TV. Mum, we made it.
We made it.
Right, looking forward to this. Let's go. Right then, so we have just come off Ghostly Manor. Cat, first thought, what did you reckon to that?
Actually really good.
I'm very impressed.
The way it actually goes in, it's like, it's different.
Yeah, it is. It's very good little dark ride.
It's a bit weird though when you're on the end seat though, and it's like, it goes that way instead
of it was
like
weird.
It's
I'm trying to think of like what I would compare it to. It's like think of it like Carousel of Progress, but just quick and shooting ghosts kind of thing. I'd say like that, yeah.
A little bit, yeah.
Quite a good example.
Just without the curtains. It's like doors and curtains, yeah.
Anyway, yes, I'm very impressed with that. It was a good little dark ride. I probably mind having another go on that later on, I'm sure. But Cat got 89,990 and I got 89,550. We got their scores as well.
Like 400.
Yeah. That was fun. I enjoyed it. Nice. Alright, the theming's brilliant as well outside here as well. It's good inside as well. But some nice physical props in there. A few obviously screens. Guns were working alright. Yeah, just nice interaction with them. But very impressed with that. That was a good little dart ride. That I enjoyed that. Not sure what we're going on next, but I can see that Pewt in the back. No, the Storm Chaser, which is one of my favourites. Call that video anyway. Thanks for coming up in a minute. Did you enjoy that, guys? Anyway, Yeah, it was cracking that.
And for all the adults, please keep all mobile phones away. They need to be in pockets or bags. Thank you.
There you go, put all personal items away. So after Coast Manor, we've come into Tornado Springs. Love this area. It's great. It's a great area, this, brilliant. And it has got one of my all-time favourite rides, which is Storm Chaser. Theming's absolutely brilliant around here. Got some good food. The guys said that they came for a VIP event and they had some very good food here.
Very good hospitality.
Indeed. What's the back coaster called? Is it Farmyard Flyer?
Yeah.
Something like that, yeah. Come on then, Catherine. Here it is. Good old Storm Chaser. There will be a POV in there as well for you to watch. Very fantastic play area. Cycling area over there. Cycling area will open at 12 PM. There goes Storm Chaser. We'll be going on that very, very soon. Warren is having a test of the seat. You'll be fine. You've been on it before, haven't you? You have. Wow, what's up? Oh. Right, anyway, Storm Chaser soon. We are back on Storm Chaser.
Yeah.
You ready, Captain?
Yeah.
Oh, what a brilliant ride this is. Here we go. It's funny, isn't it? Like we're facing and we can see everybody now. Like everyone's like, eh.
It's like, yo.
Everybody ready, guys? Let's go on Storm Chaser.
Arms up.
Arms up, everybody. Let's go. Here we go. Woo! Wow! Woo! Wow! Excellent! Whoa! Oh! My goodness! Oh! Oh! Woo! Woo! Wow! Woo! Oh, I love it! Hey! Hey!
Here we are, guys. We're on Cycling A2 with Warren and Dan. Lawrence is getting some off-ride footage because I weren't going to say because he doesn't like flat rides, but
Because he's a pussy.
that works too. There's no fun in that. Who holds on tight?
Look at a bit of speed there. Get some oomph.
I'm just going to put my legs together so I don't want my skirt to fly up. Oh God, what a day to wear that.
I know, at a theme park.
Air beret. I've caught it before.
As well.
Hiya! Woo! Woo!
Catch a bit here.
Does it go faster?
Yeah, it's oh my God! Hey! Don't say that!
Just let it go.
It's actually not going to do up because the belt's there, so it's fine. Belt's there anyway, so it's going to stop it.
Yeah!
Woo! Oh God, it lifted up! Oh my God! Oh my God! Jesus, it's higher than you expect! Oh my word! Yeah! Oh my God! Oh! Jesus Christ! This skirt's flying! I thought. Oh my God! Oh, some people's gonna laugh at this footage! Oh God! Oh man, the things I do for Lawrence, I swear! I should get paid for your YouTube channel! Oh, for the things I do for it!
Like a mistake.
Oh my God!
Again.
No.
Oh, please don't. Oh God. I'll go in it again, I just need a bit of a rest. Oh my word. That goes higher than I expected.
It pushes too far on your stomach, it's a bit of you feel sick.
Oh, I thought you were going to throw up then, my God. So just waiting for it to stop. So that was Cyclinator. I nearly forgot how to pronounce it then. My gosh. Ready for the next ride. Oh, good grief.
We're on Windmill Towers, I believe it's called. Here we go. Spins as well. Oh, and they're at the top. Whoa! 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 Oh, wait! Woo! It's brilliant, love it. Whoa! I love it. Whoa! It's great. Whoa! Boing, boing, boing. Gives Techno Jumper run for its money. Oh wow, woo! It is, yeah, I quite like it. Oh wow, woo! Here we go again. Hey! It's brilliant, I love it. Woo! Oh, oh, hey! Oh, lovely. And right, enjoyed that. Excellent ride. I think we're going to Buffalo Falls next. Oh, awesome.
That water ride.
The theme slide.
You can place your boats on the ramp in the middle and you can push all the way down.
No worries, right, we're on Buffalo Falls, guys. Cast over there, we're having a race. Here we go. Whoa! Woo! Whoa! Oh, big one! Whoa! Whoa! Yeah, I think you won, Kat.
I lifted off it.
I got some airtime on that.
Mine lifted up, babe. It lifted up.
That was awesome.
Mine lifted up.
So did I. Oh.
I did a right bunny off again.
Alright, so you'll have seen some on-ride footage from Storm Chaser, which was absolutely fantastic.
Yep.
Love that ride. 2 rides on that.
Wow.
We also had a ride on Windmill Towers. That was good as well.
Towers, yeah.
Enjoyed that.
And then Buffalo Falls.
And yeah, Buffalo Falls, which was slightly moist.
Dingy side.
Yeah, it was very, very fun. And we've come to Peppa Pig World.
Daddy's Cafe.
Gives you an impression of a pig cap.
Wait, no, I'll do Joe's treatment.
There you go. Alright, gonna go to the toilet and maybe go on some rides in here, possibly. We'll wait and find out. Oh, there's a little duck here.
Hi, great cute.
There he is.
He's like, stop taking me phone.
Well, we just had a first ride in Peppa Pig World. We did a Grampy Rabbit.
Boris Johnson. Yeah.
You know about Peppa?
No, Boris Johnson.
That's a good little animatronic. No, I don't. That is massive though. That is a massive play area for kids. So.
She said. That way, go that way.
Very weird shaped bus. So what are they calling it for Bullseye with bus? Is your £10 for your bus fare home? For Bullseye. Very well themed anyway. No, I certainly do not want a photo with Peppa.
My God, it isn't all.
It's what?
Peppa Pig's throwing you.
Well, the TV shows always do give that false perspective. It does always say that the TV makes you look like you've got £10 extra on, or whatever it is.
Wow, I've just spotted someone.
Yes, I have.
So that's the balloon ride. That's cool. And helicopters. What's that one? Windy Castle. That looks weird, that.
It's like close up out.
It's weird, I don't know if I'd like that. I think I'd feel a bit dizzy. But balloons.
Hello!
Seen some animals, birds. Feed the birds. Sup and survive. Little path thing down here. It's a what bridge? Creaky Bridge. Oh, where do you go for? Where do you go for entrance?
You go down here.
Oh, no, you go round here. Garden Avery. So it's
The growler. Dropping the top.
who called it you tuppence? Sweet your nan? Snakes and ladders, literally. Yeah, but you don't. Yeah, but you don't. You don't win money on it. You did all right last time. You got loads of restart chances. You got loads of restart chances, didn't you, on it last time? Climbing up. Gone through the gardens. Which way we're going here? Oh, right, okay. Right, we'll see some more animals. We've got the black-cast hornbill.
Hornbill. Oh, I thought you said hornbill.
It's well, hornbill's the one from what they call it. From yeah. What's it called? What's it from? The hornbill's from Lion King, isn't it? That's what Zazu is. Hornbill.
It's got a Mohican.
Last Kingdom.
Yeah, we can go to the last one. Please do not feed the birds. Sorry, Catherine.
Feed the birds, tuppence a bag.
I hate you.
And we love you too, Catherine. Are you having a good day then so far?
Yeah.
Gotta get back on Storm Chaser in a bit.
Tuppence a bag.
Macaws. Some birds in there.
It's the bridge to a phone box.
I appreciate because he went with Paul's under threat.
Oh yeah. Anybody ringing, Dan? Anybody answering?
No, there's no phone.
No, but there's no phone.
Helpline.
It's like a maze, isn't it? Yeah. It's like one of them labyrinths. Tell you what, labyrinth is, mate. Annoying. That one at Blackpool Pleasure Beach. Yeah. Never find your way out of that. It's like trying to find your way out of a paper bag.
Well, like you can't wrestle your way out of
He's stroking the snake. And don't take that in here.
Sammy the snake!
Sammy.
No, not the one eye.
Jack's eye.
I apologise, viewers. It's not. This vlog's probably not going to be that family friendly, but oh well.
Tickling the python.
Oh, that's quite good with the elephant.
Stuff off of episodes of Phoenix now.
That's good with the elephant. I like that.
Not family friendly, so yeah.
That reminds me of when Epcot do the like flower and garden thing with the stuff. The what? Sorry? An aviary. Aviary. It's like saying caviar and it's no caviar. How about that? Caviar. Oh yeah.
Like eating fish poop.
Seeing a few more animals. Going over to the Lost Kingdom for some more rides.
I remember that animal that looked at me like that on that photo once.
No, what are you thinking?
That's
Not safe.
Let's get round there. You can see some more. Oh, they're cute. And there's one as well. Lemurs. Ring-tailed lemurs. So it's been filmed. New ride over here. Splash Lagoon. So we might have to have a go on this. Viewing area. Oh, it's actually got quite a nice little drop over there as well, that looks nice.
Yeah, I can't one yet, you should do.
We'll have a few rides round here. Dinosaurs are around here soon enough. 12 noon. Dino comes out. Yeah, we're going on some more rides. Looking forward to this.
Delicious. I know you're very hungry, Buck. I know you're very hungry. So what sort of things do we think Buck eats then? Meat! Oh, leaves. Oh, sorry. You are correct, young ranger. Buck here eats plants. So, this makes him a herbivore. And the reason why he is called the Pachycephalosaurus, yeah, he's just giving us a demonstration right now of eating some very, very spiky plants. I'm not cleaning that up later. Anyway, so, Buck here, he is called the Pachycephalosaurus because
how did you find the little Splash Lagoon
because
ride?
believe me, the other one is a massive tongue twister. As you can see, he has a very big dome right at the top of his head, right here.
It's only not that even high a drop, but you get quite well.
Well, it's like that small drop
just like you would a dog's belly. Now, how do we say hi to a dinosaur? How do we say hi to a dinosaur? There's a particular sound I'm thinking of. There's a particular sound I'm thinking of. Sometimes you might hear lions do it. Oh, very, very good. We roar. So on the count of 3,
how did you find the Splash Lagoon? Yeah, it was good.
To say hello. Are we ready, everybody?
And we're getting rather wet again. Hey!
Good, so now that we've got you warmed up, let's count
And we've got a bit of rain. Right, on to the next ride. Oh! Alright then, we're back on Flyer Pterosaur. Just come out of the 4D cinema. Quite enjoyed that, we're alright that.
Got quite sad though at the beginning.
Yeah, it was quite sad, but it was nice. It's nice effects and stuff. There's Danny's on the front. He's all excited. Here we go. Woo! Wow. Woo! Hey! Woo! My goodness! Whoa! Goes round at some speed, this. Whoa! Woo! Oh, brilliant! Right on the front row now of Flight Pterosaur. Right at the front. Are you ready, guys?
Yeah.
Here we go. Up the lift, over we go. Here we go.
Bandai!
Oh! Woo! Oh, my hat nearly flew off then. Hey! Hey! Woo! It's Jurassic Park. It's a massive park. What could possibly go wrong? Everyone gets killed except the Grey Sam Neill, cause they evolve into birds. Woo! Oh, what a ride! Absolutely brilliant, I love that. Really good. Right, we're on Velociraptor. Here we go. Woo! Looking forward to this one, let's go. I love the Coma Junior Boomerang coasters, they're really good.
Let's see the sensors, they're not right.
Yeah. Are you ready, guys? Oh, it's a bit high in here, it's a bit high.
Oh.
Oopsie daisy. Da da da. And away! Woo! Woo!
Yeah, boy!
Woo! Hey! Woo! Oh, lovely coaster. Da, 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 da.
Plop.
And a van. Hey!
Coco van.
Whoa! Smashing! Hey! Oh, awesome! Love that. Really good.
Eyes in the face.
Oh, an awesome Vekoma coaster. Oh, very good that. Right, we're on board the dash. There's Dan. Oh my goodness. Where's Catherine? I'm sure we'll see her in a minute. There she is. Hey! Oh my goodness. Whoa! That one's spinning a lot, isn't it? Whoa! Oh my god. Got right close. Woo! I love little stuff like this. Whoa! Woo! You alright there, Cap? Enjoying it? You enjoying it, Dan? It is? Woo! Never thought I'd be riding a dinosaur egg. Oh, good that. There we go, that was Boulder Dash. Right, we're off on Dino Chase. I believe. Here we go. Oh, there you go, straight away. Here we go. Little coaster credit, why not? Hey, takes your photo, there you go. Woo! Might as well get the credit. You enjoying it, Dan? Yeah. You are? Hey! Whoa!
Have you seen how high this is?
I put mine down, I'm alright.
I'm not even kidding, have you seen
I know. Woo! There we go, hey! Oh, a dino chaser. A little coaster. Right, here we are on the dinosaur tour.
G'day guys, how's it going? You guys have been
How's it going, mate?
Well, sit back
driving in.
and prepare to be
Rip off
totally
Steve Irwin
blown away.
doing commentary.
Quick, there to your right. That's a Myosaura. Oh, she's got a neck.
Theming's really cool in
Legs
this.
in it.
You're actually going to drive, Catherine? I mean, we don't want to run off the road. It's like kind of hot when it says there can be two drivers.
Did you hear that? Crikey! That sounds mighty close. Okay, so
Like I said, rip off Steve Irwin.
The fearless, intrepid explorer. Deep down, I'm a safety man. So please remain seated and keep your arms and legs in the car at all times. You're talking about safety. Here's my aeroplane. Good job I had my belts on. It was a bit of a bumpy landing.
Yeah, there, pal.
If you're quick, look to the right over the line. Can you see it? That's a baryonyx, and it's just caught a fish.
What?
Check out the magical waterfall there. It is said that this spring has been running here since the Cretaceous period. That's about 100 million years ago in old money. This fine-looking dino is an iguanodon.
He looks friendly.
Hello, kids. Give me some wave. Haha, that's our security guy. He takes pics of everyone and plants them on the wall in Outpost 12 for all to see. Now this is very special. There's a couple of arachnids have decided to nest in this disused tunnel. Look to the left in that recess. There's some eggs. Wow, look at it. Oh, that baby rat's just hatches it. This is incredible. A rare treat for all of us. Oh, cute little fella, isn't he, eh? Check him out. Oh, wasn't expecting that. Best get out of here.
Oh, what a lovely little ride. Enjoying it, Cap?
Ahead is an Albertosaurus. He originally lived in Canada over 70 million years ago. You'll note he's got a head full of sharp teeth, so he probably resides near the top of the food chain. Now these fellas to the left are ornitholestes,
Probably is.
well they're bird eaters. But these two look like they've had a bit of a fallout. So in the interest of my safety, and yours of course as well, I'm going to head us out of here, Bronny. Well, enjoy the rest of your day, folks.
That's cool. That was a nice ride, that. Alright, so we're having a good day, done plenty of rides, flying the pterosaur, velociraptor, just done Boulder Dash, done a few more rides, you'll seen Cyclonator, like I said, loads of on-ride POV'S from other ones. The guys seem to think I'm going to go on this ride over here. I've just looked at it and I'm like, I don't think I'm going on that.
You'll fit on the horse easily.
I'm not, I don't think I'm going on that. I'm going to look like a right numpty on it. You might be able to go on it, Cap.
No.
If you go on it, I'll go on it.
You both want it.
I'll go on Thomas instead.
What the Thomas from?
I think I'm enjoying it.
It's yeah. But as you'll see,
We can go on digger ride, Lauren.
No one can see that.
Cobra and whatever. No, I'm just showing Cobra over there. Obviously, that's all having work done. New land coming next year. next year, Newland?
Yeah.
Yeah, looking forward to it. Back now. Yeah, they seem to think I'm going to go on this this little ride over here.
Come on, Lawrence.
I'm not going on that. Not a chance.
You went to one at Drayton Manor?
Yeah, but I'm not going on that one.
Okay.
I don't think I'm doing that one, Cat. Are you doing the chair swing, Cat?
I do.
Why not? Get your rides with. You been a nice day?
Yeah.
Good. Favourite ride so far?
Storm Chaser.
Storm Chaser, favourite ride so far? Yeah, I think it's the same for me. You enjoyed Sakanator and all, didn't you?
Cycling it.
Yeah, Sakanator.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
I
Not Cyclosaur, that's it. That's
yeah,
a Flamingo Land.
Yeah, no, yeah.
But yeah, lovely, yeah. Lovely day. Had a bit of rain.
Had a bit of a fast factory setting reboot then.
Yeah, indeed. So yeah, like I said, chuck some more on-ride footage from previous times and we'll get some more off-ride footage as well.
Here I am on Sky Swinger, just by myself for this ride. And off we go, blooming hell, it starts off pretty quickly. Here we go. Woo! It's a good wave swinger. Quite like it actually. I think Monkey Swinger though is still my #1 favourite, obviously at Chessington World of Adventures. But this one takes the #2 spot. Pretty short cycle, but there's no problem with short cycles. And there we go, guys. That was Sky Swinger. Is it Sky Swinger? I'm sure it is. Yeah, Sky Swinger. I got it right the first time. There we go. Ready for the next ride, guys.
Carousel. Oh, it does spin. It's alright then. Hello. Got that spin quite fast, eh? It's weird, isn't it, on a carousel? Not too fast. I won't spin too fast. Well, I might do. Just spin like this, and then we'll spin like this. Catherine's alright. Oh my goodness. Like being back on Fireball, isn't it? Woo! Enjoying it?
Yeah.
Oh my god! It's very disorientating when you're on a carousel. It's cool. Jesus. You getting dizzy yet, viewers? I'm alright, me. It's been like back on Storm Chaser. Oh god, that's making me more disorientated. Oh my goodness! Oh. Oh. It's brilliant. I think it's stopping now. I can't tell.
Neither can I because it's spinning. Oh.
That was good. That I enjoyed that. Whilst we've had some good rides, here's Catherine.
Hello.
And Bodie here. Here's the guys, and we're on the Rio Grande Railway, leaving the Paultons Railway Company station. Off we go. Getting a little tour around the park. Hey, there we go. Hello guys. I was trying to chase the train. Nice little tour around here. Tornado Springs, here's Storm Chaser, back on that in a bit. Wind the windows down. No windows.
Just want to speak red after.
Put your penis away.
Beg your pardon.
Cat, put him into it.
Definitely not out.
I am. Get some great views in Storm Chaser. Guys doing the roll, Queen Wave. Hello! Hey! Hey, there we go. Hey! Ding, 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 ding. Follow me on fire, we'll go on that soon. Not done that one yet. Still coming on right POV of that. Got the tractors. People there. Hey, here we go. Tractor. Tractor. There's a beaver.
Oh, it's Beaver, it's Eagle Eye Car.
There's the Scarecrow from this little bus. The Scarecrow behind us. Hey, there we go. Nice little train ride. Oh, they're doing some hard work here. Hey, there we go. There's some pumpkins. Get ready for Halloween. Looks like we're going slightly into some of Peppa Pig world at the moment. Have you enjoyed your day so far then, Cap?
Been really good.
It has, yes. Got a few more rides. Park shuts at 4:30. Going through the forest. This would be quite good as a scare attraction if it were a bit more of a scary park. Yeah, ghost train. Kind of like what Drake Manor did with something.
Oh, really? Really good opportunity.
See the back of Peppa Pig riding and fake trees.
Really good opportunity for what's it called?
What?
Pleasure Widows to do one because they've got a train.
Yeah, I think that would work well. Just something that's overgrown there though, that's the only shame.
Yeah, there's a few bits that
Not too bad round here. We'll make some good jump scares round here though if we did it.
that's it effect.
I'll film some more when we get round to more stuff. Here we go on Farmyard Flyer. Let's go. Here we go on the little coaster, Farmyard Flyer. This one new as well, quite new as well. Here we go. Woo! Whee. Hey! Simple layout, but nice. Hey! Oh, I like how it's hey! Is it good? Oh, lovely! Hey! Does it go round again, or is it just once, or?
Oh, got my head. Again.
And again. Way! Gotta go round twice.
Put my head back this time.
Let's pretend we're all on an airplane. Meow. Whee! Way! Lovely. Whee! Not a bad little coaster. Alright, that. There you go, found me on fire. Here we go, one final ride on Storm Chaser. So excited, I really, really love this coaster. It's so unique, so brilliant. I love it. Dan's right on the front and we are on the back car. Let's hopefully we get some really good spinning. I think it might be a bit more intense as well, the bike. I hope so. I can hear the train. We didn't even do the train today, but never mind. I think it only goes round in a little circle anyway, so yeah. Here we go. Oh my god! Whoa! Whoa! Woo! Wow! Wow, I can already feel it's a bit more intense. Oh! Oh Jesus! Woo! Oh! 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 Oh my god! Oh! Oh my god! Wow! Brilliant! Absolutely brilliant! Whoa! Oh, I want to do it again.
Reride!
I want to do it again. Oh, please, one more time.
One more time.
I don't know if we got time or not.
Oh, I'm in.
So good. I could just keep going round. It's brilliant. So good. I've had a few more rides. We had one on Fire Me Off Fire. I did one on the little dinghy slide, and one more on the Storm Chaser.
My ear.
And that's the whistle of the train.
Ow.
I've just watched that video back of you on the ride.
Oh yeah.
Whistle of the train? It
Sound
was
like
bleeding dark.
I know, it does sound like a whistle of a train though.
Let's go to the Ghostly Manor.
Yeah, one more on Ghostly Manor before we go. We're going to beat as high scores, that is the question.
No.
What, you don't think you'll beat your score?
No.
You don't know, you never know. Oh, look at the theming there, absolutely brilliant around this area.
Stunning.
It is great. It's one of my favourite themed areas actually in any of the UK.
Here we are on the Zamperla Disco Edge. I'm here, I'm with Dan, Warren and Lawrence, so off ride for this. Excited. And off we go. Where is, I wonder where Lawrence is. Need to put my hair up.
Oh, I can't see it.
No. Ooh. Over. Oh my god. Ooh, that makes me hey. That's a bit of a bunny hop then. I told him to finger, he's like knocking about me You know what's going on. What's wrong with POV'S? Oh god. Oh my god, it bumps over this hill, doesn't it? Oh, it didn't do it that time. Oh, oh god. There we go.
Welcome to your movies.
I've had to do that so the GoPro footage is not like bouncing around all over the place. Oh gosh. There we have it, guys. That was the Edge. Ready for the next one.
I've got one more on Cobra. Off we go. Oh, what an amazing day we've had. Gonna be sad to say goodbye to this park. I've really enjoyed it. Plenty of rides, plenty of re-rides. There won't be one more ride without this, so let's go. Woo! Hey! Here we go, here's the wild mouse section. Da, da, da. Oh! 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 Not too bad on that part.
Alright.
Hey! Legs, see your 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 legs. Woo! Wow! Hey! Oh, it's brilliant, I love it.
Funny.
Hey! Oh, hey! Dush! I've got no head left! Oh, well, I couldn't speak then, yeah? Oh, there we go. Hey! Woo! Not too bad coming back in. That was a bit smoother coming back in, actually.
No, it didn't go actually.
There we go. Lovely that on Cobra. Really enjoyed that one.
Really good that.
Smashing. Hi guys. Honestly, just want to say a massive thank you for watching this vlog. Might have not been the most jam-packed stuff, but of course we did chuck in some special little on-ride POVs for you from when we were there in 2022. So yeah, but honestly, just want to say what an absolutely fantastic day we did have, of course, at Paultons Park. We love that park to absolute bits, and we do plan to visit again in 2026. Obviously it's 2026 now when I'm recording this, but yeah, yeah, honestly the park is absolutely fantastic. I'm very much looking forward to seeing the refurbishment of like the new area, of course, take over where the Edge is and Cobra. I'm looking very excited to that Vikings area. We've seen some construction photos and it looks fantastic. It was great to get on the new dar ride, Ghostly Manor. I would highly recommend it for a dar ride. It's very, very unique and very, very different. So, really enjoyed it. Of course, Storm Chaser was my absolute highlight. I love that coaster so, so much. Flight of the Pterosaur was great. Velociraptor was good as well. Yeah, Cat enjoyed Cyclonator as well. There's some good little rides, you know. Windmill Towers is fun. Find Me All Flyers as well. Also, the little splash ride as well was fun. A Splash Lagoon, I think it was called. That was fun. Yeah, it's a really good park. It's got some great variety of rides, and we definitely can't wait to get back again. Like I said, hopefully for 2026. But we'll keep you all posted with that. But thank you very much for watching the vlog, guys. If you've not given the video a like yet, give it a like. And if you're not subscribed, why not? There's a massive variety of entertainment on this channel. But we'll see you all again for another video soon. We've got a few more vlogs from 2026 to come up. And of course, Sorry, 20 for 25, sorry, and we've got loads of stuff for 2026 planned, so please stay tuned. But anyways, guys, my name's been Lawrence Bennett. Thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you on the next video. Please take care, please stay safe. Thank you very much for watching. Goodbye.